Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtuousskills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is how to prepare egg wrap with vegetable. Here on the countertop is the finished result. It is looking so healthy and delicious. Egg wrap is a high protein kind of recipe. It is good for lunch, but for me, I like taking it for my breakfast. So if you want to know how I came up with this beautiful result of egg wrap, let's dive right into the video. The recipes we have for the egg wraps are eggs, onion, carrot, Scotch bonnet pepper. You can as well use pepper flakes, but this is my choice, green bell pepper. Fresh parsley, milk. You can as well use mayo, there's no problem about that. Dry thyme, all-purpose seasoning, ginger and garlic powder, and lastly vegetable oil. Please do note that you can use any seasoning of your choice when it comes to this recipe. Alright, next is to prep our veggies. Please do note that you can use any vegetable of your choice, but whichever vegetable you decide to use, please do make sure you cut or dice them small so that they will lap well with the egg when wrapping it. Alright, have you subscribed to this channel? If no, please do hit the subscription button with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Please like this video to encourage us. It is totally free. God bless you. Keep watching. In a clean bowl, crack in the eggs. You can use more or less egg depending on how many people you are making the egg wrap for. Add the milk. Whisk or beat the egg to combine. After which, add all the prepped veggies and whisk everything together. Then add dry thyme, ginger and garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, and mix everything very well to combine. Next is the cooking action. Prime the pan with a vegetable oil or butter. You can as well use a cooking spray if you have one. Once the prime pan is preheated, pour the egg mixture in the pan and allow to cook until half done. Please, we use low heat to make this recipe, okay? We don't use high heat at all. And another thing you have to note is that we don't use too much vegetable oil for this recipe so that it will come out as perfect as needed. Once I've done, roll the omelette halfway up to the middle. Please, if there is not enough vegetable oil, prime the pan lightly each time you roll up, just like you see me do. Please do add more egg mixture to the side of the unrolled omelette and cook again till half done, and roll halfway up again and move the egg wrap to the center of the pan until fully fried. After we transfer to a flat plate just like so and allow to cool down. Don't cut when hot, if not the egg roll might break or pieces up. Now it is cool. Can you see how beautiful that looks like? Now slice into bite-sized pieces and serve. You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. On this junction, Virtuous family, our egg wrap with vegetable is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Virtuous family, we are done. Can you see how beautiful that looks? You can see how easy and simple the recipe looks. Everyone can really try this recipe. It is very healthy for adult and kids as well. Will you be trying this egg wrap recipe? Yes, you will. Please try this recipe and give us your feedback on all our social media handle as usual. Hope you enjoy every clip of today's video just as we like and enjoy bringing them at your doorstep. If you do enjoy the video, give the video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us. This is all we have for you for today's video from me and all my crew. Thanks for watching. Always remain blessed and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.